teaching you about the prepositions. Now let's start! Today I'm going to be explaining the prepositions. Prepositions tell where things are. Here are examples of prepositions. Let's start with the preposition on. Where is my toy car? My toy car is on the box. We use the preposition on. Hi guys, do you know where my snacks are? Oh yeah, they are on the table. Next, let's have the preposition in. Daddy Pig, do you know where George is? Oh, George is in the car. So guys, I'm gonna be hiding. Well, you know where I'm gonna hide? Peekaboo! I'm here! I'm in the box! Next, let's have the preposition in front. Guys, do you know what's in front of Peppa Pig's house? Correct! It is the playground where Peppa Pig is about to play. The playground is in front of Peppa Pig's house. Hi guys! So these are Peppa and these are all of her friends. Let's tell them all together. Candy Cat, Rebecca Rabbit, Emily the Elephant, Peppa Pig, Zoe Zebra, and Pedro Pony. They are all Peppa's friends. Who is in front of Peppa? Correct! It is Emily the Elephant. Emily the Elephant is in front of Peppa. Next, we will have the preposition between. Hi guys, do you know where Barney is? Correct! He is between Peppa and George. Guys, have you seen Daddy Pig? I can find him. I tried to find all over my Peppa Pig toys, but I don't know where he is. Correct. He is between the two vehicles. Next, let's have the preposition under. Do you know where to hide when your mom is angry at you?
Daniel, where are you?
The best hiding spot is under the table. I am under the table. Shh, don't tell my mom about this. Now let's have the preposition below. This is Peppa Pig's house, and George is sleeping below Peppa Pig's bed. Next, let's have behind. Hi guys, this is my toy community. The Lego house, Pinkie Pie Studio, and Pinkie Pie's Bakery, the Cat Cafe, and my Peppa Pig. Guys, do you know what's behind the Cat Cafe? Correct! It is Peppa Pig's house. Peppa Pig's house is behind the Cat Cafe. What is behind the Lego's house? Correct! It is Pinkie Pie Studio and Bakery. Pinkie Pie Studio and Bakery is behind the Lego's house. So I made this video with my best friend, Ate Divine, and my mama, Irene. Thank you, Ate Divine, so much. I love you. Remember, guys, keep on winning and be happy!